Hello plant lovers, welcome back to TMG. Today we're diving into the lush and vibrant world of Purple Snow Anne Fittonia, also known as the nerve plant. Did you know that Fittonias are also called nerve plants because of their striking vein patterns? These veins create intricate designs that look like tiny networks of nerves, making them one of the most artistic plants you can grow indoors. Purple Snow Anne Fittonia is a compact evergreen plant that grows up to 6 to 12 inches tall. Its most distinguishing feature is its dark green leaves with white vibrant veins and purple to pinkish hues in the veins, creating a stunning contrast that's impossible to ignore. The leaves are soft and slightly textured, giving them a delicate velvety feel. While it rarely flowers indoors, when it does, it produces tiny, inconspicuous yellowish-white blooms. Fittonias are typically grown for their foliage, which looks spectacular in pots, terrariums, or as a ground cover in tropical setups. Fittonias are native to the tropical rainforests of South America, particularly Peru, Colombia, and Brazil. In their natural habitat, they thrive under the canopy of larger trees, where they receive filtered light and high humidity. As houseplants, Purple Snow Anne Fittonia adapts well to similar conditions. It loves indirect light, high humidity, and consistently moist but not waterlogged soil. In the wild, Fittonias play a role in maintaining the lush ground cover of rainforest floors. Their ability to thrive in shaded, humid environments makes them a valuable part of tropical ecosystems. In cultivation, Purple Snow Anne Fittonia is often used in terrariums or as a featured plant in decorative arrangements. Its compact size and vibrant leaves make it a favorite for creating mini indoor jungles. Caring for Purple Snow Anne Fittonia is straightforward. Bright indirect light is ideal. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch its leaves. Use a rich, well-draining potting mix. Adding peat or coconut coir can help maintain moisture. Keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. Fittonias are known to faint or wilt when underwatered, but quickly bounce back with proper care. High humidity is key. Mist the plant regularly or place it near a humidifier. Fittonias pair well with other humidity-loving plants like ferns, caletheas, and peperomias. They also make excellent companions in terrariums or mixed planters. While Purple Snow Anne Fittonia is not edible, it contributes to well-being in other ways. Studies have shown that indoor plants like Fittonias improve air quality and boost mental health by reducing stress and increasing focus. Its vibrant colors and lush foliage make it a joy to care for, adding life and beauty to indoor spaces. Fittonias are non-toxic to humans and pets, making them a safe choice for households with curious children or animals. However, their delicate leaves are sensitive to neglect or harsh conditions, so keep an eye on their water and humidity needs. That wraps up our look at Purple Snow Anne Fittonia, a houseplant that's as artistic as it is easy to care for. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Fittonia care tips or display ideas in the comments below. Until next time, happy planting.